Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is DineoM and you, my darling, are tuned into Becoming DineoM. Now, of course, if you're new to this channel, take a minute to pause and head over straight to the subscribe button. Make sure that you subscribe so that you can fall part of this lovely family. And of course, if you are returning, thank you so much, family, for your continuous support. I love you so much, you guys, and welcome to the new subscribers. I see I've got like quite a few subscribers who are new. Thank you so much, you guys. I promise you guys are going to enjoy this stay. So you guys, today, whew, I am legit so tired. My energy levels are so low. I don't know what's happening. I'm thinking maybe I'm low on iron or whatever, but yeah, it's been happening for this whole week. What is it today? It's a Wednesday. So since the weekend and yeah, till today, I'm so tired. Legit, I would wake up in the morning and clean the house, then shower and legit go to sleep. Like I would fall asleep. So today I decided that maybe I should vlog. Hopefully, I don't know, hopefully I'll gain some strength because I enjoy vlogging and I miss it. So hopefully this will revive my strength and my energy again. So today I don't really have much to do. Basically, I'm just gonna cook. I'm going to make something real quick. Even lately, you guys, I haven't even had the energy to cook, so I really don't know what's happening. I'm gonna make pilchards and pasta or macaroni. I'll see which one I have. And my sister, I think I've mentioned this before, that my sister does handmade African earrings. They're so pretty. I love them. So anyways, she asked me if I could campaign the earrings for her again. Those who've been here for a while know that I once did a campaign for her, and you should check it out on my Instagram again. And also please check out her Instagram page. It's Stanish Accessories. So she asked me if I could campaign these earrings for her, so I need to prepare that. So I'm thinking today I want to do it with a wig this time around. So my wig is a bit old, so I want to revamp it. So yesterday I did cut it into a fringe and it was so pretty. Then I thought that maybe I should dye it black because usually during the summer, you guys, I get a bit of a tan and that wig is brown. And yeah, I don't feel like my complexion will pop as much as I would like it to. So usually with black, yeah, it helps me, like it helps my complexion to pop. You know, I get the glow, unless it's during the winter times. During the winter times, I don't mind doing anything brown because I know at that time my complexion pops naturally because I'm not usually in the sun. But anywho, I'm going to dye my wig and then wash my brushes and also prepare clothes, maybe pair clothes with these earrings just to prepare so that tomorrow morning I just wake up and start shooting. So these are the earrings. These are the earrings. They're so pretty. And this is her, oh sorry. So it's Stanish Accessories. I'll just put a logo here. Oh, sorry. I'm the one who put it upside down. So Stanish Accessories. The earrings are so pretty. And we've got these also. And we've got these that are so pretty. And these ones. They're so nice. So today basically I'm gonna have to prepare myself for this campaign that's happening tomorrow. So yes, you guys, and now I'm starting to do campaigns. I'm kidding, guys, it's just for my sister, but it's also a real campaign. So I'm going to campaign it for her, and this will hopefully open doors for me. It will be a nice experience to include in my profile, so I'm happy to do it actually. So right now, let's go make some pilchards and pasta for dinner. guys, I'm done cooking my pasta and pilchards. It looks super delicious. And as you guys all know, I always have to taste my food. Always. So here is it. It's so delicious. How is it cooking? Delicious. This is also Sophia's favorite meal. It's so delicious. And as you can see, this pilchard, it's not broken down, so you don't need to smash your or mash your pilchards or break them into small pieces. They're actually nicer when they're like this. Don't want to stew them too much. So you guys, I am done with the cooking, so I would highly recommend you guys to try this recipe. It's so delicious. It's so flavorful. The pilchards are not too overcooked. All the flavors are just agreeing with one another, so please try the recipe. I'll see you guys later. I need to wash my wig, remember, and then fix the clothes for tomorrow.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says, I don't wanna listen to a word you say, telling me what I can become. And I've been looking forward to this day, the day I prove you
So you guys, do you remember I said I was going to wash my wig and dye it and then prepare clothes for tomorrow? I'm a bit tired at the moment, so I just made myself some lemon rooibos tea. In most cases, rooibos tea helps me to sleep, basically. So I'm just gonna have this rooibos tea and then go to bed because I'm really tired. I'm just gonna wash my face because I've got sunscreen on. I'm just gonna wash my face and then just go to bed because I'm really tired. So the plan for tomorrow is that I'm going to wake up super early. I usually wake up early, by the way, to prepare my daughter. Like as soon as she leaves, then I'm just going to dye my wig and prepare clothes and clean up the house, then get started with the earrings campaign for my sister's earrings. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I have my rooibos tea. It's so nice. I didn't put any honey or sugar. I like it like this actually. By the way, this cup I got it as a birthday gift from my friend Itzy. So she got me 2 cups because she knows I love green tea. So she got me this one and another one that she'll see some other time. It's blue It's a different shade from this one, but it's blue. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.